In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget your paycheck in Notion. If you're eager to organize your finances and take control of your spending, you're in the right place. We'll walk through setting up a comprehensive dashboard to streamline your budgeting process, all within Notion, a powerful, flexible tool that brings your financial planning to life. First, head over to Notion and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, take a quick moment to sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're logged in, let's start by creating a new page. You'll want to name this page Paycheck Budget Dashboard. This will serve as your central hub for managing your finances, and having a dedicated space makes a big difference in maintaining consistency and clarity. With your new page open, it's time to start structuring it. Begin by adding a table to track your income. To do this, simply select the table option from the block menu. As you set up this table, name it Income so you can easily identify it at a glance. Now, within this table, you'll add columns according to your needs. Common columns might include date, source, amount, and notes. These will help you keep a detailed record of where your money is coming from and how much you're earning. Having organized your income, it's crucial to do the same for your expenses. So add another table to your dashboard. Rename this one to Expenses. Like your income table, fill this with columns that best suit your financial plans. Typical columns could be date, category, amount, and notes. By aligning your expenses alongside your income in a structured way, you'll gain a clear view of your finances, making it easier to identify areas where you spend the most and where you might want to cut back. Finally, to enhance your dashboard's usability and insight, add different views to your tables. These views allow you to switch between a detailed look and a more summarized one, helping you to make informed budgeting decisions quickly. Views like calendars, board views, or even simple filtered lists can give you varying perspectives on your financial health and make your budgeting process more dynamic and insightful. And there you have it. You've now set up a simple but effective paycheck budgeting system in Notion. With each paycheck, you'll populate your tables following this structure, making it effortless to track and manage your finances over time. Remember, keeping your budget updated regularly will ensure you stay on top of your financial goals and keep any unwelcome surprises in check. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your budgeting journey.